हेलो गाइस, स्वागत है आप सभी का हाई एंड टोटल के एक नए वीडियो में। आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले इंडिया की वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टॉप सेलिंग स्कूटर सुजुकी एक्सेस 125 BS6 वेरिएंट में एक नए ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टिविटी फीचर के साथ। आइए चलिए देखते हैं और सिनेमैटिक्स एंजॉय कीजिए।
When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die, they become a part of you. Every time you bleed for reaching greatness, relentless you survive. They never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near. It's deep in their bones, they'll ride into smoke when the fire is fierce. No, pick yourself up, 'cause legends never die. When the world's calling you, can you hear?
As you enjoy the cinematics of the vehicle, let's move on to the walk around of the vehicle. Here you can see a complete LED setup as I am getting it up. Here you can see a dipper and an upper switch, which is looks nice. Here we have a Suzuki logo. The LED is completely lit up with a chrome finish, as you can see. They're moving slightly towards the down. As you can see, a number plate holder over here. Indicators are bulb. Suzuki should work on this to make it a completely a kind of LED kind of thing. We also get a daytime running light over here, slightly moving down towards the suspension of the vehicle. We get a telescopic suspension over here. A reflector, side way reflector. Coming back to tire, it's 90 by 19 Maxxis tubeless tire. We get a nice disc over here with Nissan calipers. The alloy size is 12 inches. Moving to the side profile of the vehicle, we get a 12-volt charging socket, USB charging socket with LED light in it, a 1-liter bottle storage. On the right, we get a key slot. The leg space is very good in Access 125 BS6 variant. The color we are having is dark matte blue. The Access branding, the finishing of Access branding is in chrome treatment. We get a pillion footrest. Coming to the engine of the vehicle, the heart, it's 124cc single cylinder 2 valve which produce 10 Nm torque, 5000 rpm and 8.7 PS of power at 6500 rpm. The rear, we have a drum brake setup. Coming to the tire for profile of the vehicle, it's 90 by 90 10. It's also a Maxxis tire, a 10-inch alloy wheel. The overall curve weight of the vehicle is 101 kg. The seat height of the vehicle is 773 mm. The ground clearance of the vehicle is 160 mm. The wheelbase of the vehicle is 1265 mm. Thus, moving to the seat of the vehicle, it is more softer side for more highway ride as well as city rides. The boot capacity of the Access 125 BS6 variant is 22 liters, approx 21.8 liters. As we all know, the fuel storage is given on the back rear. Moving to the rear profile of the vehicle, we get a fuel tank. The tank storage capacity is 5 liters. The sideway indicator, as you can see, a bulb setup, a slight chrome finishing inbuilt in it. The rear tail light, as you can see, it's again a bulb setup with a transparent glass which look more appealing in light. Coming to the exhaust, we get a chrome finishing over it. The exhaust sound is punch sound, kind of punchy sound. And again a footrest holder over here with again the access badging, access 125. The mirrors which we get is in the chrome finish, a upper deeper switch, a side indicator switch and a horn switch. On the right you get a self ignition switch which is integrated. Moving back to the main console of the vehicle, here you get a mode and a select button, a eco indicator light, a pressure monitoring light, a side by side indicator, a engine check light and the upper dipper switch light. Coming back to the main console of the vehicle, here you get time, engine temperature, fuel gauge, a speedometer, a odometer. As you click the select option, you get trip A, trip B meter and a battery voltage. As you connect your mobile with the as you pair your mobile with the Bluetooth connection, here you get navigation feature, WhatsApp alert, call alert, missed call alert, as well as overspeeding alert of the vehicle. As you can make it limited your mobile speed alert with, as you can save it on the Suzuki app. You can download the app to connect your mobile with the Suzuki Bluetooth Smart Connect feature. You can download the Suzuki Ride app on Play Store. Ex-showroom price of this vehicle is 80,270 rupees. You can contact Dolphin Suzuki, Sakinaka for more such details or discount. Just say to them that you have came and watched the videos of High on Throttle. You get additional discount over here. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा, शेयर कर दीजिएगा और कुछ आपका सुझाव हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में भी हमें बता दीजिएगा। चैनल अच्छा लगा हो इसी नए अपकमिंग वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और साथ ही में बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिएगा। थैंक यू इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए।